Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today we're diving into a common confusion. It's all about how to differentiate settings and control panel. Settings and control panel may seem similar, but they have different roles. Think of settings as the new kid in town, modern, streamlined, and easy to use. It's where you customize your computer, change your wallpaper, and tweak your preferences. Now, control panel is like the wise old friend. It has more options and deeper settings. You can find the control panel in the search bar. From there, you can manage hardware, add devices, and do advanced configurations. To sum it up, settings is your go-to for everyday changes, while control panel is your toolkit for more in-depth adjustments. And that's it. You've learned how to differentiate between settings and control panel. No more mix-ups, just clear understanding. Thanks for joining me in this enlightening tutorial. I hope you're feeling more confident in distinguishing between settings and control panel to enhance your Windows experience. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to differentiate settings and control panel. See you on my next video.